whatever you're doing, wherever you are. So the first idea, the first philosophy is who, then what. The second idea is sowing and reaping. And the third idea is cause and effect. And the fourth idea is input and output. So the first one, who, then what. This is very important question. And this question challenges the established norms. Normally we get different business philosophers who always says like the question of what comes first, like what you want to do, vision, mission, goals, it comes first. But this research shows that the question of who comes first, who is in your team, who is in alliance with you. So this question comes first. When you decided the team, now you have the right person in your team and the wrong person out of your team. So now it is easy for you to decide where you want to go, what will be the vision, mission, goal, and objective. So this was the first question, who, then what. Then you can decide where you want to go, what will be the mission, vision, and everything. Secondly, input and output. Whatever the output you want, you can get if you are giving the right input. So output is determined by the input. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing is because of the small choices that you make over many years. So whatever the output you want, you have to give the input according to that output. You cannot get an amazing output when you are not giving an amazing input. It can be amazing and the best and much better than other services to get much better revenues and much better wealth and much better business. If you are not giving much better services, much better input, you cannot expect much better output, much better wealth. So both are linked, input and output. So what, who and what, input and output, sowing and reaping. So if you want, these are the law of nature and they were same last many decades and many centuries, and they will be same for the next many decades and many centuries to come. These laws will never change. So whatever you are sowing, you will reap that. If you are sowing wheat, you will reap wheat. If you are sowing mango, so you will reap mango. So what you want to reap, you have to sow same according to your demand. Because seed contains the potential of tree. It will become a tree and it will bear the fruit. Whatever fruit you want, you should sow according to your requirement. So the question, who, then what, input and output, sowing and reaping, cause and effect. Whatever we see is because of some causes. We see the effects, but these effects are because of some causes. If you are successful, there will be some causes which make you successful. If you are not successful, if you are suffering from dilemmas and issues, so there are some causes which led to this dilemma or this trauma or this issue. So cause and effects are linked. If someone is in jail, is not because of destiny, it's because of some cause and effect relationship. Over the years, he have been building this mental attitude. Because what we do is depend by the thought process, what you are thinking, and what is in your mind, in your conscious, and what is in your subconscious. These are linked. So you should give your subconscious and conscious positive input. Positive input. Affirmation. There should be positivity in your life. So if you want some great things, great achievement, you have to give right input. If you are giving noise, or if you are giving some crap, some trash as input, so you cannot expect something good. It will be trash output. So if you are giving best services, you can expect as a effect good sales, best revenue. But if you are not giving best services much better than other your services, how you can expect you will be getting good sales, much revenue, much wealth? So all these things are linked. Cause and effect, input and output, sowing and reaping, and the question of who, then what. These ideas are amazing. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much.